Hey there, if you have ever tried to send files over Bluetooth on your Windows PC and got the message Windows was unable to transfer some files, don't worry, I have got a few quick fixes to help you sort it out right now. Alright, let's start with the most common reason, Bluetooth not being in bearing mood. On the device you're sending files to, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and set to visible or discoverable. If it's hidden, your PC might connect but fail to send the files. Next up, check if Bluetooth support service is running. Press Windows R, type services.mac, and hit Enter. Scroll down to Bluetooth support service. Right-click it and choose Start or Restart. Also make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Now let's check the file size and type. Some devices can handle large files or certain file formats over Bluetooth. Try sending a smaller file just to test, like a photo or a text file, and see if it works. Still not working, go to Settings, then Devices, and remove the Bluetooth device you're trying to send to. After that, repair it again from scratch. Sometimes a fresh connection is all it needs. And finally, don't forget, Bluetooth can be a little fuzzy with older devices. If nothing works, try using a USB cable or a cloud service as a temporary workaround while you troubleshoot. Alright, that's it for this one. If one of these tips helped you fix the transfer issue, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. _AUDIO